you doing? My name is Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO, and welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. This week's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be talking about the Zenbot CNC because it's been a big help with what we're doing, but it's a little different. It's a bit serious. We're going to talk about the coronavirus, or whatever you want to call it, COVID-19. It's affecting a lot of people. Hospitals have run out of supplies. They've run out of masks, protective shields, gloves, respirators. They've run out of everything. Manufacturers cannot produce them fast enough. So then my friend Jeremy Katz came up with a great idea. Since he has a CNC and a laser, he reached out to a bunch of us in the car audio industry that also have CNC lasers. He provided the files for us free of charge and said if we can get the material and donate to our local hospitals, that's what he's doing. So of course, everybody that could jumped on board, and the turnout has been ridiculous. It's been way more than we could have hoped for. I hope more people join in. If you have a laser or CNC, reach out to me. I'll get you as part of the group so you can get the files, so you can help as many people as you can. They have a GoFundMe page. We also have a GoFundMe page. I only did it because we have a local plastic supplier, so if I can get enough funds, I've gone as far as I can with my own budget, and I took all the material that they had in our local place. These are the shields that we're building, something like this. It consists of 4 parts: the plastic shield part, the 2 plastic bands that hold it together, and an elastic on the back. I actually bought every bit of material that they had with my own money at the local supplier, but he ordered more, should have it in by Thursday. So we'll see how many more people we can help out. We've made about 200 so far. So since it's Tool Time Tuesday, I'll jump into showing you what the machine is doing, and then I'm gonna make a video later on strictly only talking about the shields and helping for the virus. So big shout out to Charles from First Coast Auto Creation. He got me dialed in, he had me cutting today. And Sean from Zenbot. I spent about an hour on the phone with Sean, and then he showed me what I was doing wrong. So we got the machine leveled, the working surface is planed and loaded up. It's working the way it's supposed to work. So I had the machine for a few months now. I haven't had a chance to use it or learn to use it because building these cars is more important. I couldn't think of a better time than now to force myself to learn how to use the machine, because I can't think of a better cause than helping doctors save lives. So I'm donating my machines, my time, my labor, and the materials that I can afford to donate to make as many shields as I can. So I have the laser upstairs cutting the bands, and I have the CNC down here cutting the acrylic for the shields. So let me show you how we're doing it. Alright, so I got a bunch of people I got to thank for putting this whole thing together. Jeremy Katz, he brainstormed this entire thing. This is his whole idea. JT Torres got everybody together and got a bunch of people to donate. His shop's been running for, I think, 4 days straight, just making shields. Charles Brazil gave me tech support to get the machine working. Sean from Zenbot. Gary Bell. There was a problem getting material. Some people couldn't get the GM clips, some people couldn't get the rivets. So Gary Bell came up with a design in CAD that eliminated the clips, and the only thing you need is the plastic and the elastic. Mark from Cardio Fab, he went over all the designs and tweaked them all to make sure that we can get the maximum amount of shields and bands for plastic. And then he also regenerated all the files for all the popular machines out there that everybody's using. The red box machine that I use, the CNC 4-foot, 9-foot beds, the Glowforge laser that everybody's using. He even showed you how to cut down a full sheet where it would fit inside the machine, where you get the maximum amount with no waste. Brian Schmidt from Mobile Solutions, Him and his family have been assembling shields all week long, donating to their local hospitals. And the last time I was at a Mobile Solutions class, he gave me a handful of bits for the CNC machine. There were bits that he had already used, and then he said, here, start off with these because you're gonna make a lot of mistakes. You're gonna snap some bits and dull some out. It's a great thing he did because I wouldn't be able to run this without him. I literally just got the machine working, didn't even know what to order. Went in my toolbox and realized that he had given me a bag of bits. So thank you, Brian. All these pieces are cut with bits that Brian gave me for free. Ken Ward, he's also been organizing and sharing and looking for materials. He's also donating his time and offering free trainings to shops that will donate their time and donate masks to their local hospitals. Andy from Audio Frog, he's taken the time to put together all the manuals and tweak some of the CAD files. He's putting together all the manuals that are getting packed with all these so they can be flat shipped and assembled on site at the hospitals. Thank you, Andy, for that. I know the guys from Avant-Garde Design, Extreme Performance have put out 2,500 shields so far. These guys really killed it. Thank you for Jeremy and his guys over there. I'm gonna go upstairs and show you the bands the laser cut now. The laser's been working all day and it did a great job. Look how Mark tweaked those files. Zero waste.